Hello everyone, welcome back with LibreOffice basic tutorials how to change background color. Okay, to change background colors, you can click format menu, go to page style, and will be show page style dialog box. In here you can click area tabs. You can click color to change by color, like you can change into red and click apply, it will be changed into red, or you also can change with the gradients. In here we set into this color, apply, it will be changed. With bitmap, this is with image, you also can add or import bitmap from your computer. For example, in here I will use these paper grapes, and you can click apply, so it will be automatically changed. The next patterns, these for patterns, and the last hedge. So if you want to back to normal, you can click none in here, and you can click apply, it will be back into normal. You can click OK to apply this change. Okay, that's it, how to change the background color in a LibreOffice Writer software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.